So this is question number 5, section 5.1. Find the general form of the quadratic function that have a vertex of -3 and -3 and a point on the graph of -4 and -2. We know that the vertex is h and k. And this is basically x and y. Any point is x and y. The general form is the form where the function is going to look like f of x is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, in order to find that general form, we're going to find the standard form, and then from there, we're going to come up with the general form, okay? So the standard form of the function, it is f of x equals to a, which is the leading coefficient, times x minus h all squared plus k. That is the formula for the standard form. This is standard form. Okay. Now, I know that h is -3 and k is -3, and I don't have the a. I will need to work on the a. So f of x is equal to, a remains, since I don't know what that is, x remains minus h is -3, pay attention to the signs, plus -3, which is basically the k. So I just plugged k and h in there. Is this step clear? Okay. Now, in order to find the a, I am going to use the second point. I'm going to plug x -4, and I'm going to plug f of x -2. So I'm going to replace f of x with -2, and I'm going to replace x with -4. So -4 minus minus is plus, so plus 3 all squared, and then minus times negative, plus times negative is -3. Now, all I need to do is just to do the math. So -2 equals a times -4 plus 3 is -1 all squared minus 3. -2 equals 2. A times -1 squared is +1. So it's going to be a times 1, that is a, minus 3. Now I'm going to solve this equation. I will add 3 to both sides of the equation. So a is equal to 1. So now I know that my equation is going to look like f of x equals 2. I will remove the a, replace it with its value, which is the 1. So I will have x plus 3, because negative times negative is positive, all squared. And then positive times negative, this one, positive times negative is negative. So it's going to be minus 3. So far, so good. Now, this is called the standard form. How do we make it into a general form? We're going to FOIL this one. Okay, how do we FOIL? This is x plus 3 times x plus 3. You could do the square method as well. You could do the box method. X plus 3, x plus 3, x squared, 3x, 3x, 9. And then you're going to say it's x squared. You're going to add these together, 6x plus 9. Or you could do the FOILing method, which is going to give me f of x equals 2. I'm going to FOIL that part, x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9, and then don't forget -3, minus 3. This minus 3 is this one. This will give me x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 3 is +6 or +6, so f of x is equal to